Are you wondering if YouTube TV adds new channels to its lineup? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how YouTube TV updates its channel offerings. If you're hoping to see your favorite networks added, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does add new channels periodically to keep its service fresh and competitive. These updates often include popular networks, sports channels, or regional affiliates, depending on licensing agreements and customer demand. For example, YouTube TV has previously added channels like AMC, BBC America, and even sports packages like the SEC network. However, channel availability can vary by location, so not every update will apply to all users. To stay informed about new additions, check YouTube TV's official website or app announcements, as they typically notify subscribers when new channels are introduced. Keep in mind that some channels may also be removed if licensing deals change. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV updates its channel lineup, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.